Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're diving into a classic fragrance from Diptyque, the Olene Eau de Toilette in a 100 milliliter bottle. This one first appeared back in 1998, crafted by the well-known Parisian house famous for their unique, artful scents. Olene is described as a floral fragrance with green, wisteria, and white flower notes leading the way. Now let's break down what this fragrance actually offers. Olene opens with fresh green notes that bring a crisp and slightly herbal vibe, think springtime leaves and garden freshness. Then it gracefully unfolds into wisteria, which adds a soft, sweet floral touch, delicate yet distinctive. The white flowers, probably jasmine or gardenia-like, round out the scent with a clean, luminous quality that feels elegant but not overwhelming. It's a floral composition that leans more towards freshness and subtlety rather than being overly sweet or heavy. I've been testing Olene over the past couple of weeks to see how it fits into a modern scent wardrobe. Applying it in the morning gave me a fresh, uplifting start to the day without it becoming too overpowering. The Eau de Toilette concentration keeps it light, so it's great for daytime wear or for anyone who prefers a more understated floral fragrance. The scent stayed noticeable on my skin for about 4 to 5 hours, which is typical for an EDT, though it doesn't linger intensely into the evening. If you're someone who enjoys reapplying fragrances, this one is easy to refresh without feeling heavy. In terms of packaging, the bottle is elegant and minimalist, classic Diptyque style. The glass is sturdy with a simple label, making it a nice addition to any vanity without being flashy. The spray mechanism works smoothly and delivers a fine mist, which helps with even application. If I had to weigh the pros and cons, here's what stands out. The scent itself is beautifully balanced and refined. It's versatile, wearable in many settings, and not overwhelming, which suits floral lovers who prefer sophistication over sweetness. On the downside, it might feel a bit light for those looking for a long-lasting or intense floral perfume, especially in cooler weather where scent can fade faster. Also, if you're after something bold and head-turning, this is more of a quiet statement. Looking at value for money, Diptyque is a luxury brand, so the price point is higher than many mainstream florals. However, you're paying for quality ingredients, a carefully composed scent, and that classic Diptyque charm. For daily wearers who want a light, elegant floral, it can justify the price. But if you're on a tighter budget or want more punch and longevity, there are other florals out there that might suit your needs better. To give a quick comparison, something like Jo Malone's Wisteria and Violet offers a similar fresh floral vibe, but tends to have more projection and slightly longer wear. Meanwhile, Olene's subtlety is its strength, making it ideal for those who want fragrance that whispers rather than shouts. I haven't needed to contact Diptyque's customer service for this product, but the brand generally has a solid reputation for customer care and authentic products, which gives extra peace of mind when purchasing. If you find the price a bit steep, there are lovely alternatives in the mid-range category. For example, Zara's Garden collection offers fresh floral scents inspired by nature, which come at a fraction of the price and have surprisingly good performance. So, what's the bottom line? Diptyque Olene Eau de Toilette is a refined, fresh floral scent, perfect for someone who appreciates subtlety and elegance in their fragrance. It's not a powerhouse in terms of longevity or projection, but it's sophisticated and versatile. A great pick for spring and summer days, or anyone wanting a gentle, classy floral. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. You'll find a link to purchase Olene in the description or comments below. If you've tried this scent already, drop a comment and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.